What's up guys? So welcome to the second part of Android development tutorial. So today we're gonna tackle the environment of Android Studio. So let's start. So in this first file, we can see the main activity.java. Here we can do all the logic of our application, the methods or functions of what we want to do in our application. And the second one is the activity main.xml. Here we can do our design, layout of our application. And I'm in the text tab. The other one is the design tab. These two file is linked to each other or connected. So if I if I add an button here, I'm gonna drag it to the right and left. So as you can see, it automatically adds a button view in XML file. So yeah, they are connected to each other. And in the left side of our IDE, we can see the Android tab. So in the future lesson, we can select the project, but for now, for the sake of simplicity, we will tackle the Android tab. So it has manifest, Java, resource, Gradle scripts. So first, the manifest. Here, this is the root of application. So you can see the label or the application name, the icon of the application, and the theme of the app. The second one is the Java folder, and here we can see the application package, and we can locate the main activity.java. So I can double click it so it pop-ups the main activity.java. So this third one is the res or the resource. Here we have drawable, layout, map, and values. In the drawable, here we can add graphics or even layout. We can add here. The second one, the layout. Here we can locate the activity main.xml, so it pops up. And the map, here is the icon of the application. The values, colors, the colors of your application, strings, all the text, it will save here in the strings that XML. And the style of your application, we can tackle it in the future more lesson. And the last one, we have here the logcat. It's like the command terminal in other IDE. So if your application has an error, you can see it here. Information, debugging. So that's it. So build, the other one, the build, you can see here if the build was successful. And I think that's it. That's all guys. So thank you for watching. See you on the next lesson.